coronavirus pandemic has affected the workforce significantly with the psychological stresses, the workload, the constant working. Even when you're not at work, you feel guilty for not being at work, so you're constantly thinking about work, and I think everybody's thought about work since March last year.
This campaign will help the medical professionals who are helping save our family and friends and provide some care and wellbeing for those that are taking care of everyone else.
This time last year, staff were happy and looking forward to positive aspects of a new redevelopment, having electric patient records and that sort of thing. Then the pandemic hit and then our lives completely changed. The impact on staff wellbeing was just significant. So having Raise a Rainbow and supporting that would be unbelievably great for all our staff, all the frontline staff that have been working throughout the last year.
When the first wave started, I had a few friends who were affected by COVID. A couple recovered quite quickly. The other one ended up in ICU for a month on oxygen for 3 weeks. So I saw the advert from Raise asking for volunteers and applied. Obviously there's more patients in hospital, there's more patients receiving intensive care, and visitors are no longer allowed. So there's more work to do.
I have lost my niece who was buried 2 weeks ago in Hemel through to this pandemic. She left 4 kids. The youngest has been 7, and as you come to work, it just starts affecting you. So you were thinking, what next? Is it me tomorrow? So all these psychological things are playing in our minds on a daily basis as we try to nest the nation back to normality.
Raise a Rainbow campaign is our charitable fund campaign to support our dedicated staff who have worked extremely hard under challenging circumstances with the pandemic over the last 12 months. This campaign will work towards a number of initiatives that will support the well-being of our staff and make sure it goes to where it's needed most.
The fundraising efforts of Raise through the pandemic has given us iPads for the wards, which has allowed families to communicate with their relatives as they're unable to visit. It's also given us the opportunity to have radios on the wards so patients can listen to music and the news. But it's clear, our staff, the patients we care for and their families will see a real difference in this campaign, Raise a Rainbow.
£5 could purchase a care package for a member of staff going off after a long shift, such as food, drink and personal items. £10 could go towards buying furnishings for our staff areas, so we've got somewhere to recharge when we're exhausted. And £20 could go a long way towards providing a safe space where we can get emotional support when we need it most. If you're fundraising, thank you. Stick to the rules, but know that your efforts make such a difference to all of us at West Herts.